Welcome, food lovers, to another exciting cooking lesson. Today you're in for a treat as we delve into the art of making fluffy eggs. The secret to achieving that perfect fluffiness lies not only in the ingredients but also in the technique. With just a few basic ingredients and a little bit of knowledge, you can transform simple eggs into a versatile dish that will elevate your breakfast or brunch to a whole new level. So, are you ready to transform your breakfast with some egg-citing fluffiness? Let's get cracking. Before we start, let's gather all the necessary ingredients and tools. For our fluffy eggs, we'll need eggs, milk, or water for a lighter version, a pinch of salt and pepper, and some butter or oil for cooking. Your toolkit should include a whisk or fork, a non-stick skillet, and a spatula. A little tip here, using room temperature eggs can actually enhance the fluffiness of your dish. With all these ready, we are set to embark on our fluffy egg journey. Now, the first step to fluffy eggs is all in the preparation. Start by cracking your eggs into a bowl. Be careful not to let any shell fragments slip in. Once all your eggs are in the bowl, it's time to add a splash of milk or water. This isn't just for flavor. It's actually going to help create steam during the cooking process, which is what gives us that extra fluffiness we're after. Next up, season your eggs with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Don't be shy. Seasoning is key to bringing out the natural flavors of the eggs. Now, grab your whisk or fork and start beating those eggs. You want to whisk vigorously to introduce as much air as possible into the mixture. The more air you incorporate, the lighter and fluffier your eggs will be. This is one of the most crucial steps in achieving the perfect cloud-like texture. Remember, the frothier the mixture, the fluffier your eggs will be. Next up, it's time to heat our skillet, the stage for our fluffy egg performance. A non-stick skillet is a must-have here, ensuring our eggs don't stick or overcook. We're aiming for a medium-low heat level, just right to gently cook our eggs to fluffiness. Now, let's melt some butter or heat oil in the skillet. We want it hot but not smoking, creating a welcoming, non-stick surface for our eggs. With our skillet hot and ready, we're set for the main act. Now comes the crucial part, cooking the eggs. Pour your frothy, whisked egg mixture into the preheated skillet. Allow it to settle undisturbed for a moment. This brief rest lets a gentle, delicate crust form at the base. Now pick up your spatula and gently start folding the eggs from the edges towards the center. This motion allows the still liquid part of the eggs to flow underneath, ensuring even cooking. You might be tempted to rush this part but resist the urge. Slow and steady wins the race here. By cooking the eggs slowly and keeping them moving gently, you're allowing for even heat distribution and preventing overcooking. This is what gives us those soft, fluffy curds we're after. It's a little bit like magic, watching the eggs transform from liquid to a soft, pillowy scramble. Remember, patience is the key to perfect, fluffy eggs. As our eggs near completion, it's time for some final touches. Once your eggs are mostly set but still slightly runny on top, it's time to remove your skillet from the heat. The residual warmth will continue to gently cook your eggs to perfection. Now let's get creative. Sprinkle on some herbs, maybe a little cheese, or even some diced vegetables for an added flavor boost. And remember, it's best to serve your fluffy eggs immediately to savor their delightful texture and taste. Voila, you have just cooked up some perfectly fluffy eggs. And there you have it, a simple guide to making fluffy eggs. Remember, food is an art, and every artist has their own style. Feel free to play around with this recipe, adjusting the fluffiness and seasoning to your liking. Don't forget to pair these beautiful fluffy eggs with some crunchy toast, creamy avocado, or your favorite breakfast side. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delightful cooking lessons. Happy cooking!